Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make restaurant ranch dressing. First, gather your core ingredients. You'll need a good quality mayonnaise and fresh buttermilk to create that signature creamy base. Don't forget fresh herbs like dill, chives, and parsley, as they truly elevate the flavor. Also, garlic powder and onion powder are key for a savory depth that makes this dressing irresistible. Let's get mixing. Now, let's talk about the spices and seasonings that bring it all together. A pinch of freshly ground black pepper and a good quality salt are crucial for balancing the flavors. For an extra layer of savory depth, a dash of Worcestershire sauce works wonders. And to cut through the richness and add a bright tang, a small amount of white vinegar is absolutely essential. These small additions make a big difference. Once you have all your ingredients, it's time to mix them to perfection. Whisk everything together thoroughly in a bowl until the dressing is completely smooth and well combined. If you prefer a thinner consistency, simply add a little more buttermilk until it reaches your desired pourability. For the best flavor development, chill your ranch dressing for at least 30 minutes before serving. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. To keep your delicious homemade ranch fresh, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay good for up to 7 days, perfect for enjoying throughout the week. This versatile dressing is fantastic with fresh salads, as a dip for your favorite vegetables, or even drizzled over roasted potatoes. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing restaurant-style ranch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.